So this is mathematics, paper 1, question under variation. So question read, y varies directly as x and inversely as the square of z, and given that y is equal to h when x is equal to 4 and z is equal to 1. Find the question A, value of k, the constant of variation. So question A here. So you need to come up with equation. The first stage is to come up with the correct equation or inequality in short. So they're saying that y, so this is y varies, so the symbol for varies is this one. So y varies directly as x, so direct as x, like this, okay? And inversely means over, and inversely as the square of z, so square, so z square like this, okay, like this. Then now the next stage I need to come up with the constant k, which is constant of variation. So always you need to come up with a constant variation. So I'll say y equal to, so which means what there's the symbol for variation here, I'll put equal sign, then I'll introduce k. So k always will put it on top. So k x over z square like this. Okay. Then now the first value is given in the question statement here. As you can see, we have y is equal to 8 when x is equal to 4 and z is equal to 1. So the first value is given in the question. I need to find the value of k, which is constant. So my y in this case is 8. So where there's y here, I'll put 8. So I'll say 8 equal to my k, my constant, I don't know. That's all that I'm calculating. Then the x here, as you can see, x is what? Is 4. So I'll put 4 here where there's x. Then over z, it's 1. So it means I'll put 1 square here like this. Like this. Then I'll continue solving now. So I'll say 8 equal to, okay? So 4 times k, it will be 4k, like this. Then 1 times 1, which is 1. Then over 1 like this, okay? Then I'll cross multiply here because there's equal sign, so I'll cross multiply. So 1 times 4k, it will be 4k equal to, then 8 times 1, it will be 8, like this. Since I'm looking for k, so I'll say over 4, even here over 4. So I cancel this. So k is equal to 4 into 8, which is 2. So my k is 2. So I'll write my k here. K is equal to 2 like this. I'll write like this. K is equal to 2. Okay. Then I'll go to question B. Question B, as you can see, is saying the value of y when x equal to 9 and z is equal to 3. So I will get the same equation, which is this equation here, which is y is equal to kx over z square, like this. Okay. Then since I know the value for y, so for k, so k is equal to 2x here over z squared, like this. Okay. Then from here now, I'll do the question again. Find the value of y when x equal to 9 and z is equal to 3. So I'm looking for this value, which is y. And the value of x and z is given in the question. So I'll say y is equal to, okay, so my x here is 9, so I'll say 2 in bracket, x is 9, I'll put 9 here, like this. Then over z is 3, so I'll 3, like this. Then there's a square, don't forget there's a square here, z squared, so I need to maintain the square here. So y is equal to 2 times 9, which is 18, over, okay, 3 times 3, which is 9. So y is equal to 9 into 18, which is 2. So it means the value of y is 2. So I'll write here again, I'll say y is equal to 2 like this. Okay, then I'll go to the next question, which is the last question, which is question C. Question C is saying the values, which means we need to find two answers, two or more than two, in fact, two values of z. So I'll write the same equation, which is y is equal to 2x over z square. Okay, so now since they want us to find the value of z when y is equal to 3, which means while there is y, I'm going to put here what? We're going to put 3. So put 3 here like this, then equal to, then again a 2, write 2 here, then the value for x is 54, as you can see. So 54 here like this, over z square like this. Okay, so from here I'll say 3 is equal to 2 times 52, or the best way is to avoid multiplying, because the more you multiply, the more the number becomes bigger. So I'll just write 2 times 54 like this, then over z square like this. Okay, then I'll say over 1. Then from here I'll cross multiply. So 3 times z squared, it will be 3z square, which is equal to 2 again times 54. I will not multiply these two numbers, because the moment I multiply this number, it will become bigger, in fact. So it will be very difficult for me to divide. So I'll just maintain 2 times 54. Then over 3 here, over 3 here. You cancel here. So z square is equal to, then from here, I would, since there's times here, so if there's times here, I can able to divide this into this or this into this. But for plus and minus, don't do that. Nanga pari plus or minus hapa, don't try to divide. You can only divide if there's times. So 3 here, it's 1. 3 into 54, okay, 3 into 5 here, it's 1. Remainder 2. Then 3 into 24, is it 8 or 6? 3 into 24, what the answer? I want to try 3 into 24. Okay, so it will be it will be 8. Then the 8 times these two here, they'll be 8 here. So 2 times 8, which is this one here. Okay, so now say z square is equal to 8 times 2, which is 16. Now since there is square root here, so I need to get rid of the square here. Then I'll put positive or minus here, square root of this. So now this and this cancel. So I'll say z is equal to positive or minus square root for 16, which is 4, which means the two answers here I'll put z is equal to 4 or z is equal to negative 4 like this. So these are the correct answers for this question. Hope it's very much clear here. Thank you very much.